Hey guys, PopScrap here. Today I'm scrapping out this old Pentium 3 tower I got on when I was out searching for scrap. So we're going to go through it here and we'll see what we can get in it. So we're just going to take off a few screws here. Hopefully you can see me alright in the screen. You can, I think. So we're going to take out a few of these screws and see what we can get in here. No, probably not the right head. No. So we'll have to hand do them all. Sorry, as I said, I haven't done a video in a while. It's been, had no time, but work and stuff. These are pretty well seized in. We get the outer case on. I really only want to check out what the CPU and stuff is like. As I said, it's a floppy. So I'm excited as you are to see what's inside here. Like this, I presume it's all good, heavy, thick gold plate on it. Hopefully it's one of those good CPUs that's the gold plate on, or the gold cap on them. It's, you never know. It's an old one, so they could change the CPU in it. So now that's that open. So hopefully it's will pop off. Hopefully there's no spiders in it. My worst nightmare. Right, let's see. Let's work this. Should just pop off, handy enough. Yeah, just slide off actually. Ooh, very dirty inside. Put this down here for time being. Now, turn this over. Let's see what we got. Hopefully you can see me fine here. There's a few snails in it, dead snails. Wiring is just the usual kind of wiring in them. Let's pull out this cable. Cut it off. Normal bit of wiring here. As I said, the CPU is one thing. We have a slot card there. In RAM, we have one RAM stick, and we'll check that and see what that is before we go any further. It should be a very old RAM stick. Oh my god, 64 megabyte. It's an oldie. So we'll take off CPU connection and we'll see what we got. Hopefully it's a good CPU. It's a very old motherboard which I'll show you now in a second. There's a lot of tantalum on it and stuff like that. So how we work this? I think we cut all this cable off first. Cleared out of the way. But yeah, she's an oldie. Oldie. As I said, I got this dumped out the road. My brother got a catalytic converter today, which is worth money. Code and everything is on it, so that was a great find. People just dump it out the roads, guys. I don't know if you get this in England and America and Australia. Out in the old country roads, a lot of people dump rubbish and stuff. And we go out every so often for a spin and we see what we can find. And we do well usually out of it. So I'm just pulling out this wire here for the time being. There's a lot of ribbon wire in it. Or you could gold plate in it. So all I'm doing is ripping it out. Get it all out together and then go, and I'll process it better in time. I can move then, I know what I'm doing. Nice thick wire. I love scrapping up the old PCs, a lot of wiring in them. It's good thick wiring. So now down to get this bad boy off and see what we have underneath it. It's not a really good CPU, I don't think. No, it's an Intel one anyway, so we'll have a look and see what we got. You never know. No, it's a big CPU. Intel it says on it. Pentium 3. So that's what we got there. Hopefully you can see that fine in the camera. An old Pentium 3. Big CPU. But that's the side. The motherboard now is pretty, how can I say, pretty good. Plenty of tantalum on it. So we can get it off now. Lots of dead or snails and stuff in this. It's absolutely disgusting, this board. Now these slot cards and stuff are very good, high quality gold plating on the fingers, because as I said, this is, well, a floppy disk drive this was. There's no such thing as CD back then. Nice piece of aluminium, or as Americans would say, aluminum. So yeah, nice bit there. Keep taking these screws off. Let me get this motherboard out. I haven't got the right Phillips bit in the drill. That's why I'm using the screwdriver. We get the slot card out now and show you. Hopefully. That was well in there. Yeah, it's good gold plating on it. So nice slot card. These hard drives should be very good gold plating on the board at the back of this hard drive, because it's a very old one. Get it out and have a look. I don't think there's any more screws holding it. It should just come off. No, there's no screw holding it. Let's see what this is. Trying to undo everything because there's something holding on to it. What's holding this now? Leave it for a second. Trying to remove the floppy and stuff. Actually, I just looking there is a CD drive in it. I didn't even see it, it was so dirty. Just keep on doing screws after screw after screw. See what this gets to. Want to unloosen that? Yep. Oh, what's this connection to? Here we go. What is this? Samsung anyway. It is, I'm doing for the best to find out whatever's on them. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a beautiful board. There's no tantalum on it, but it's a good one. Big chip on it. It wouldn't be as old as I thought it was actually, but it's a nice board on it. Piece of aluminium on it and stuff. What we have here is, I wonder what it was. Jesus, it's not saying. No, it doesn't tell me what it was. What size it was. This motherboard is nearly off. We've got to have a look at this and see what we got. I don't know what I'm trying to do any of these. Just release the board, but we have a look. So they'll come all off together. As you can see in the board here, the motherboard, these will worth taking off. The gold plating, because it's very thick gold plating. As you can see in here, it's heavy gold plating. And we have a lot of tantalum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Oh Jesus, about 20 in a minute. We've 2 nice gold corner chips. One here and one up here. Yeah, it's a pretty good motherboard. It's an older one, so we better work on that. And really, the rest is steel. I'll take off this and we'll fiddle about and see what we got underneath here. But that's basically it now. Power supply and floppy drive and hard drive, or floppy drive and disk drive, and that's really what we have in it. So that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry, as I said, videos haven't been coming too quick, but I'll have more up very soon. So see you then. Take it easy. Bye.